Hello guys, welcome to this video, welcome to Hex DNF, and the main topic for this tape is corporate valuation. To give you an overview, it is one of the toughest topics in finance. Looking for private Excel classes? Need to get done a research paper, fix a document, or a class routine? If yes, you are on the right place. Scan the QR code or go to the channel bio and click on any of the links indicated. Bye-bye. Before starting the accounting approach, we have to consider transfer the accounting entries to the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, on the left side we will have the assets, or the operative items, while on the right side, equity and liabilities, the financial items. According to Benninga 2014, it is a useful starting point for thinking about the firm's value. Now let's go to Microsoft Excel. Let's go. Just relax and build your data table. Just concentrate and listen to the music. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. To be continued. Keep learning, subscribe, and as you like, click on these videos.